Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
VA rehab and renovation loans offer veterans and service members a low-cost, no-down payment way to purchase fixer-uppers or homes in need of some extra TLC. Through VA renovation loans, borrowers can finance both the purchase price and necessary repairs, or refinance and repair an existing home.
Make your mark, take our lead.
VA loan home requirements include clean, continuous water supply with sanitary facilities, free of lead-based paint, free of wood-destroying insects, fungus and dry rot, safe and sanitary sewage disposal.
Take our lead.
VA rehab and renovation loans include all the benefits of a traditional VA loan, including zero down payments, lower closing costs, plus the ability to roll renovation and rehab costs into the same loan.
Let's help you make your mark.
Renting out your home financed with a VA loan is an option. As a rule, VA loans are not used to purchase income property due to the owner occupancy rule. But, once you've lived in the home, it is okay to vacate and rent out the home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.